Okay, so now that we've got the cushions filled back up with foam and they've got their leather stretching back, what I do, and this is a little unconventional, but it works extremely well, is I use my car buffer that I use for buffing my car. And you can use any kind of leather conditioner. This is just one that I bought at Lowe's, inexpensive. But you start simply just spraying it and buffing, spraying and buffing. You've stretched the leather back out, so the leather is actually coming back to life, and good leather will actually come back. The key with good leather is stretching it back out. That's why you want to stretch the leather out by filling it back up with cushion. Now, I'm not going to do much on the back because I haven't filled the back cushions. We'll work on that next week. But the back cushions are a little different project because you can't really get to them like we did the bottom cushions. So they're a little bit different. But right now, I'm just going to focus on hitting this with a little bit of spray. And it's kind of hard for me to film and buff at the same time. But you kind of just spray it and go heavy. I mean, this leather has been sitting here for years, not being treated properly. And leather likes to be treated properly. Leather likes to be, washed and cleaned and conditioned. So go heavy. You're not going to hurt it, but the buffer will actually help push the conditioner into the leather even deeper so you get better results. So I'll show you after I do a few more rounds.